Hey, what's up guys? 5-Hour Mike here, and today we're going to unbox the Yeti Blackout. My dad just got me this microphone for YouTube, and yeah, this box looks nice. And yeah, this is actually quite big. But yeah, hopefully the audio in my gaming videos will be a lot better. I'm actually recording on my dad's iPhone 10. iPhone 11 video coming out probably like 2-3 weeks from now, whenever I get it. Could be as soon as next week. Who knows? But yeah, that is that. And I guess we'll get to the unboxing now. So the box is open, and yeah, there's this nice little tab, I guess, here to pull. And I'm gonna put this to the side, I believe. I guess we'll get this open now. A little difficult. Okay, guys, so now that we took out the box over here, we got the microphone itself, which is encased in here, which I actually have no clue how to get out. I believe it's like something up here. Oh wait, there's tape. Yeah, right here. Alright, I'll get back to you guys when I undo this tape. Alrighty guys, so I finally finished taking this tape off, and I guess we'll open up the package now. Okay guys, so the first thing in here is a USB to, oh shoot, what cable is it again? I have no idea, but yeah, it's in there. I'll put this to the side on my bed. And then we have the booklet itself, Yeti, Blue Yeti microphone. And I guess I'm not reading this now. I'll read it later. Okay, so now we will open this and we will get a glimpse of the microphone, if I can get this out. Okay. Oh, whoa. That is cool. Okay, so let's throw this in here for now. But wow. This microphone looks pretty sick. Alrighty, guys. So there's another piece of cardboard, but God, this is actually pretty heavy. Alrighty. I guess we'll try to take it out. Alrighty, guys. I just finished taking it out of the box, and let's get a quick glimpse of it before we set it up. Okay. So we have that same port over here again. And this is actually aluminum, oh wow. And this is our headphone jack, 3.5 millimeters as usual. Alrighty guys, so let's flip this guy around. And there's our mic. Huh, actually there's something here. Oh, just like some beads. Okay. But yeah, this is a USB mic. So okay, so this goes in the back. This stand is pretty cool too. It's heavy. And I'm guessing you need to adjust this with this knob. Yeah. So if we turn this now, and we turn this guy to the other side. Hold on. Actually, this is fine. Okay, so we have our 4 different controls. No idea what that does. But then we have our gain. Still not in the, I don't know what that means still. And I guess pattern. And then on the other side, we have our volume and our mute switch. Which is pretty neat. Okay, let's set it up. Hey guys, so I got my laptop here and the microphone, and before we set it up here, let's turn it on. Let's hold the power button and let's see. Oh, great. It needs a charge. Alrighty guys, so we have finally rebooted. Well, not rebooted, but charged the computer. I'm gonna get set up and I'll get back to you guys. Alrighty guys, so before we test our microphone over here, we first need to test the speakers, or should I say the microphone, on my laptop, and then on my gaming headset, and then on the microphone. This way we get a comparison, and obviously the microphone will sound the best, but just to see how big of an improvement it's going to make on my future videos. So this is the microphone on the iPhone 10. So hopefully guys, it sounds pretty good for this video, but without further ado, let's get into this. Here I'll have all the different recordings play, just to get you a feel of what are the difference between the audio. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the microphone part. As you can see by the red light, I don't know if this is mute or not. Okay, I'm guessing not. Okay, so the microphone is plugged in. Sorry, the table's a little wobbly today. Let's go back into voice memos. And I guess let's record with the microphone. I'm kneeling down, actually. I'm like almost close to the floor. I'm actually going to stand up a little bit so I can actually pick up the audio. But yeah, let's see how this sounds. I'm so excited to find out. But yeah, I'm going to play the clip. Well, the audio clip at least, and I'll put something up. This is an audio test on the MacBook Air. This is an audio test on my HyperX gaming headset. This is an audio test on the Blue Yeti external USB microphone. Let me know how it sounds. So, all the clips sound the same. And no, I didn't do anything wrong. It's because the speakers on this thing suck. So what we're going to do instead is, since I have my JBL speaker, we're going to use the JBL Flip 4. I'm going to power this baby on. And, I think it's connected to my phone, actually. Yeah, we're gonna connect it to my computer, and I guess we'll find out what happens. So I guess comparison is, obviously the microphone sounds the best. We all know that, but this is on volume like nothing. What if we crank the volume all the way up? Will that make a difference? Let's plug it in. Got my USB. And let's find out, because I'm really curious.
This is a microphone test on the Blue Yeti microphone.
Yo, yeah, there's definitely not as good as what we had it on before, which was this setting, the volume and mute. I still gotta get the feel of like what else to use. But this is like a well-built microphone, I do gotta say. The aluminum definitely feels premium, because it is. It's, for the price that I got it for, $100, which is the same price that I got the speaker for. I would totally choose this over the speaker, but then again, it's both. I like both. So there we go. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. Leave a like, subscribe, tell me what you think, and tell me what you guys want to see next. I really want to try to get you guys attached to my content. And I just want to become a better YouTuber. So please let me know what you guys want to see next. And yeah, we are almost at 40 subscribers as of this video at least. Like I said before, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.